Let's go.
Well, if it isn't my favorite people, shout out everybody. Good to see y'all. We are in the vehicle. We are heading south this morning because we are going to do some filming for Backcorner Studios. Make sure you check them out. Go follow them on YouTube and across all their socials. We are going down on a filming job today. They just finished moving their booth and getting set up for this next round of insane projects that are rolling through the shop. They've got a lot going on and it's going to be pretty sweet. So we're going to be filming some how-to videos, some tech articles, and some day in the life stuff for them down at the shop for Josh and the people. So this is going to be awesome. So we'll bring you along for a little bit of behind the scenes of what we're doing down at Backcorner Studios here at the shop in Stratford. And then we're going to continue on our way. Also want to take a minute to give a shout out to our good friend and our boy and his family, Eddie James Atkinson, down in the States. Glad to hear you're doing well, brother. We've been talking back and forth on Messenger. Super stoked that you're doing well. Your recovery and your road to recovery is going fantastic. Can't wait for you to get back to work and get back into your cycle. Your family's behind you. All your mini trucking friends and family are behind you, so make sure you rest up. We also had another thing happen, which was our boy, Phil Gordon. I hate Phil. Rest in peace, my friend. We got to spend some time last year with Phil, very recently, within the year while we were shooting Adam's GT Ranger over at Kentuck Lifestyle for Street Trucks Magazine, which came out in January 2025, and also Sam Harper's big, beautiful K5 Blazer that we shot on location in Ohio. We got to be there with Phil. It was amazing. Adam's known Phil for quite some time. Phil's been very instrumental in the Ontario truck scene up here in Ontario, Canada, with Northern Showdown and Van Fest, and was always around to shoot, always made the drive up and the flight up to come and shoot for the guys for decades. So rest easy, homie. Can't thank you enough for all your hospitality over the years and all the love you've given everybody up here in Ontario, Canada, and around the world. You have no idea how many hearts you actually touched until you would have saw Facebook, because it was flooded with memories from all across the world, from all walks of life, and everybody in the car industry, not just trucks. It was absolutely mind-blowing and so humbling and amazing to see. So you are very well loved. Thank you for everything. We're gonna miss you, man. We're really gonna miss you. Want to thank everybody for watching. We'll see you at the shop. All right, everybody, well, we are here. We are in Stratford at Backcorner Studios. We're gonna go in, do a little filming for the crew here, bring some more content to you. Make sure you go and follow. We're here. Let's go in and see what's going on.
Hi, buddy.
Woohoo!
Lawsuit.
Fucking snow.
Lawsuit.
Your lawsuit, yeah, exactly. Your lawsuit.
How's the ride down, man?
Yeah, not bad. Wasn't too bad.
Beauty day, though.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's just icy and slow.
Yeah, because they still haven't got the...
Yeah.
How was it up your way?
Oh, we got hammered with snow. Wow, look at the change in here.
It's a little bit different.
So much more room for activities in here.
Right?
That's crazy. Yeah, you can move things. It's a completely different layout in here now.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, awesome. Hi, Jess.
Hello.
Hi, Paul.
What's going on?
Wow, this is crazy. It's actually got so much more flow to it this way.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
because yeah, and then you actually have like more light now in the booth, the natural light coming out of here just with the doors open,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
Yeah, it's not so dark. And the booth
No.
actually, it feels a little bit big. Now, we did gain like another like...
Oh, the booth feels
10
totally
inches,
bigger
but it
because
does
you're not...
feel bigger when
Yeah,
you're
you're
inside
not
of it.
swinging in sideways, and you don't have the big block on this end with the fan structure, and yeah, it changes it completely now. It's amazing. That looks so much better.
Yeah, and then when we were
That's
kinda,
great.
like last year when I had the first like okay, the boot's gonna go there, and then this is gonna go here, and then I was still kind of like, I didn't know how to do this, and
Yeah.
then Paul brought it up to run the bays horizontal, so kind of like this. So I've got we've got one bay.
If it's not leaving in a fast, like in a quick, in a hurry, in a turnaround,
yeah.
then
Well, so this
absolutely.
and it's working great because we were able to kind of have stuff covered, and
Yep.
like, so now this is kind of the main working area, and
Yep.
then because we moved the bench and everything
Yeah.
off of this wall, so now we've got a fast lane for cars to come straight in.
And that's the thing, you leave this one open for that quick insurance and the quick stuff. You've got the hoist there to be able to do it.
Yeah,
and if you
the
go right
hoist
in the
is gonna
booth and
be-
come
the
out.
hoist is going to actually go over in that back shop now.
Oh, perfect.
So the hoist is coming over here. Because again, we talked about at the pillar.
Yeah.
But then because the cars protrude into
Just
that
past,
next
yeah.
bay, that we'd never be able to really have have something on the
No.
hoist. And
No.
so once we kind of pulled it, I got the hoist, we pulled it there. That's it. So the idea now is once the truck frame is done and gone,
Yeah.
then we'll come in this bay door,
Yep.
like 8 or 10 feet. That will be the hoist.
That'll
So
be
then
the hoist.
That will be a working bay, and then this will be another vertical bay here.
Oh,
this-
yeah, right in here.
Yeah, so this one, because again, all this shit has to move, so
Yeah.
and all this racking for parts and stuff is going to go in that other
It's
side.
going to go be in the other side, yeah, and get it
So
all
that
out
will
of
be
here
all the racking.
completely.
So then this will be clear. We'll have a 20 by 14 bay here.
Yeah.
And then this one, again, you'll come right in, and then
And then it'll be hoist and then right back down
exactly,
again.
yeah. So again, if we need to truck boxes, cabs, any of that stuff, or
Yeah.
for the quick lane stuff, that
Disassemble
we
fender or something like
Exactly,
that.
we
If
can come
bumpers,
in
you
on
can
the
lift it
hoist.
up and drop
Yeah.
it and get it out.
do. Yeah, 100%. So
That's awesome. Look at the size of this thing.
and
Jeez.
it's like tanks, air tanks.
Oh yeah.
Fucking
I need one of
reservoirs,
those air tanks on the car.
airbags, all the drones, yeah. And then fucking drive shaft, steering shaft, drive shaft.
All the parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big undertaking. We're going to be bringing you more about this one, about what's happening and what's going on with this, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Yeah, I can't wait for this. This is going to be entertaining. Sweet. All right, well, we are here now, so we're going to get set up and we're going to do some filming, and we'll see you guys in a bit.
When we were kind of talking at first with the customer, why don't you kind of let everybody know, because he was looking for the look, right?
Yeah.
And that I was kind of like, yeah, that sounds cool. We can definitely get that done. We can maybe price a few things out for you, and your instance to where you can go and you can find them, and you can kind of down in the US, I'm sure Summit and Harbor Freight would probably have that stuff. Up here in Canada, Napa, and it's the only way to get a really true mirror black. So we only have a little bit of body room to do, but so we don't have the cab, we don't have the sleeper or the.
All right, everybody, we're back in the car. We just had a great time filming down here. We're doing a lot of work with Josh and the people here at Backcorner Studios in Stratford, Ontario at the Automotive Restoration and Custom Paint and Shop. Make sure you go check out their YouTube channel, all their socials under Backcorner Studios. Are doing great things, how-tos, tech articles, day in the life of the shop, all these crazy restoration projects. They have that tractor trailer project, which is insane. That's going to be nuts. I can't wait to come back and film that. So we're usually trying to set up every month. I come down, we do some batch recording, we get a bunch of stuff filmed. So stay tuned for more stuff. Go to their channel, like and subscribe, follow along. It's going to be awesome. For us, we're going to continue on our road trip here today. We've got one more stop we have to go to, and it's a special one. We're not going to tell you why. You're just going to have to wait and find out. Told y'all we had something special in store. I wasn't lying. We've got an epic trip coming up here. We're in the Detroit airport. We're getting ready to fly out. I'm going to bring you all along for the ride. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to make it the best day ever. Hope you do the same. See you where the sun shines.